Here at our state capitol, a push from Democrats to speed up the permit process for new power transmission lines. The reason? They say more lines will be needed in the future to connect rural clean energy projects to the grid. John Croman is live at the Capitol with more. John?
Yep, the backers of this plan say essentially Minnesota's method and process for approving new transmission lines hasn't really changed much in the last 50 years, while the way we generate energy has changed quite a bit. So they're saying that as we move to more carbon-free sources of electricity, that's all going to have to be speeded up. Now, we have a big coalition on this one. Democrats, construction unions, clean energy companies, state regulators joined forces, keeping in mind solar farms, wind turbines located mostly in rural areas and will be in the future. So there's going to be a high demand for new transmission lines to connect all that to where people are using electricity. The bill would streamline the process of public hearings, notification, community input, and getting government agencies to sign off on all of those new lines.
This legislation is exactly the kind of approach that will help Minnesota meet its carbon-free energy goals while eliminating the cost to customers that delays can bring.
So we're not in a good situation right now, and we have to build an enormous amount of new clean energy between now and 2040 to be able to achieve our clean energy goals.
They are not comfortable with utilities using their right-of-way rights to feed this Green New Deal here in Minnesota when it comes to placing these transmission lines on their farms.
That was the Republican response. They say normally they are all for cutting government red tape, but they're afraid in this case it might come at the expense of farmers and communities and other businesses that are waiting in line to get their permits for other kind of projects. So we'll keep tabs on this one. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, John.